where you living, single or double, strong or under the table, say.
Gold Coast, Australia. I'm 31. I was born in England. I'm actually English. I have a daughter. She's 4.
What you talking language? Hey, stop. What you talking language?
Because I have a loud voice.
You speak English or another language?
This is English.
You speak English profession. What is what? Speak nice English step by step. I am every people I am listening. You are English. I am listening only in Australia. Nothing another. Replay. 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 Replay English nice. I am listening only Australia country. Never
Would you
another.
like